Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to transfer texture in Photoshop. Let's begin. File open texture. Hold Ctrl A, select, press Ctrl C, copy, and again press Ctrl V. Blending options. You can use darken, multiply, or lighten screen, soft overlay. I use multiply. Hide, again select to this layer, use quick selection tool or magic control as you wish. I use magic control or single color, white, tolerance 32. Okay, sorry. Then again show this, click texture layer, create clipping mask, and click this blending options, hold Alt, hold Alt, sorry, hold Alt again. Okay, hold Alt, hold Alt, adjust here. Opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.